Point Lobos State Natural Reserve Travel Guide. Point Lobos State Natural Reserve Travel Guide. Description: Point Lobos State Natural Reserve is a stunning coastal park located in Carmel, California. It is famous for its dramatic ocean views, diverse wildlife, and unique underwater. The reserve features hiking trails, tide pools, and scenic spots perfect for photography and wildlife. Open times and days. The reserve is open daily from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. It is closed on Christmas Day and during extreme weather conditions. Precautions: Stay on marked trails to protect fragile habitats and avoid disturbing wildlife. Carry water, sunscreen, and wear sturdy shoes as some trails can be rocky and uneven. Pets are not allowed inside the reserve to protect native animals. Check the weather forecast before your visit, as fog and wind can affect visibility. Must-visit places inside the reserve. Cypress Grove Trail, famous for ancient Monterey cypress trees and ocean views. Bird Island, great spot to see seabirds and marine mammals. Whalers Cabin Museum, learn about the area's whaling history and culture. Tide pools at Whalers Cove, discover colorful marine life during low tide. Things to do: hike the scenic trails to enjoy nature and ocean vistas. Bring binoculars for bird watching and spotting sea otters or seals. Picnic in designated areas with ocean views. Photography of landscapes, wildlife, and sunsets is highly recommended. Things not to do: do not feed or approach wildlife. Avoid picking plants or disturbing natural features. Do not swim or dive in restricted areas due to strong currents. Insider tips: arrive early to avoid crowds and find parking easily. Bring layers as coastal weather can change quickly. Use the reserve's shuttle service during busy times to reduce parking issues. Visit the reserve's visitor center for maps and helpful information. Deals: Annual California State Parks Pass grants access to Point Lobos and many other parks. Look for combo tickets or discounts if visiting multiple state parks nearby. Best time to visit: fall, September to November, offers clearer skies and fewer crowds. Spring, March to May, is great for wildflowers and wildlife activity. Affordable places to eat nearby. La Bicyclette, Carmel cozy European-style cafe. Carmel Bakery, great for breakfast and pastries on a budget. Day Cafe, Carmel Mediterranean dishes with good value portions. We built a digital business to create ongoing income so we can follow our dreams and live an ideal life. If you are looking to start your own digital business, visit newbeginning.com and find out more.